Hey everyone, 2 here. In this video I have a lot of updates, but let's start with this. Thank you. Yup, you. With your support, we've recently passed 100,000 subs. So everyone who watches and supports the channel, viewers, subscribers, patrons, server members, I 100% couldn't do it without you. And with that, I'm now committed to the channel and 3D modeling full time. And I know I promised you a lot of content which some people are still patiently waiting for. Bear with me a little longer. A lot of the final tutorial stuff is already recorded. It's just the editing that takes a long time. Currently, these are what's most requested off the top of my head. But if I forgot something, or if you feel something should be included here, feel free to let me know. Another big update is that, actually hold on, before that, let me just say this. Our full free tutorial series is still ongoing and the last parts are still on the way. That hasn't changed. And I'll always provide free content here on 2 AM. All the things I learn about 3D modeling, I will share them with you. With that said, I'm also releasing a class over on Coloso Global. This is a full character class where you'll make a character entirely from scratch and even see it come to life in any end implementation. Whether you want to animate in Blender or put the character into a game, and specifically we'll be using Unity for that. So yeah, it'll be the full pipeline, including modeling, texturing, rigging. You'll be able to see it all on the course page, which I will link in the description. The info on this page is pretty detailed in terms of telling you what's included on the course, and I won't go over it all, but here's some key stuff. So visual judgment, that's something I'll explain a lot because, as I say, 3D art is 3D and art. And the technical side comes naturally to a lot of people, but it's a little harder to bridge it with the visuals that you have in mind. So what I aspire to do is help with that while eliminating all of the guesswork that comes along with it. You'll always hear use references, but it's not always shown exactly how to use them. And this is really important, so I'll show you my method to extract every last drop from a good reference. And that alone can like 3x your improvement speed. But yeah, if you want, take a look. It's all here for you to review. And of course, it'll be in the 3D anime style that you're used to seeing on this channel. And this character is in a lot of my videos. She's just a placeholder. When the course releases, you'll get an even newer character with the latest concepts, as this one is already even a little outdated. And when the time comes, that model will be fully provided for you as a finished and rigged asset, as well as you'll be given the full steps to reconstruct them. Now, what's the difference between the free tutorials you see on my channel and the course? Well, I would say it depends on how you learn. People find a lot of success with the free stuff already, but it does have its limitations because of how it's packaged for YouTube. Some things I can't really describe as much as I want, and then stuff gets time-lapsed. You know the deal. And I noticed some people aren't satisfied with the results when they follow the step-by-step, meaning that there's some gaps in the teaching. So that's why in my course, that's the goal, to have a method that anyone can follow to achieve a precise end result. And I'll try to cover as much of the fundamentals and mindset side I can, the things that you don't see, which is why when it's missed, that's when people are like, you know, I followed it step by step, why doesn't it look the same? The course will try to help with that. So it'll be thorough AF. Around 40 plus videos and at least 20 hours of content, and most importantly, it'll be a one-stop shop where you won't have to scrounge up bits and pieces of my tutorials and other people's tutorials from here and there. So if you prefer to learn from something that's complete and fully detailed, then that's what the class is made for. And it'll come out in a little over 2 months. That's the projected date. And how it works right now is there's an early bird. So if you pre-order it, you will have a discount. And I believe the coupon available in this link here, I'll put in the description too, will be available for about 48 hours after this video is up for a $55 discount. Anyways, I'll have more updates for you as it approaches release. If you have any more questions, feel free to let me know here or on my Discord server. Which, by the way, another thing, if you have any requests for 3D models that you want me to do a review on, like we've been reviewing on this channel, post them here on Fave 3D Models. I'll take a look, and then, yeah, we'll have a new thing for that. So I will leave it at that for now. Once again, thank you so much, everyone. 100K, the Coloso class, and even just this channel existing would not happen if you weren't here. You guys are the absolute GOATs. And we've only just begun. There will be a lot more on the way, and I will see you in the next one very soon. Have yourselves a good night.